Congratulations on your purchase of the PowerXL Grind and Go. Let's open your box and get it ready to brew. Make sure to remove all the packing materials and inspect them carefully for accessories. Sometimes accessories and parts are attached to the packing materials for protection during shipping. You will find the main unit housing. As part of that housing, there is the water reservoir, the cup holder shelf, the removable drip collector, the control panel with a button for on-off, brew only, and grind and brew, and the power cord. You will also find the carafe that holds the blade for grinding, the grinder blade, the filter basket, a coffee bean scoop, the milk frother, the tumbler for collecting your coffee, the PowerXL Grind and Go recipe guide, the quick start guide, and the owner's manual. After you remove all of the parts and accessories, make sure to remove any clear or blue protective film on the components. It's a good idea to review your quick start guide and your owner's manual before getting started. You'll find specific directions, tips, tricks, and suggestions that will help you get the best out of your PowerXL Grind and Go. Now you're ready to start brewing fresh coffee. For more information, helpful videos, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please go to PowerXLGrindandGoInfo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.